So, hello guys, your boy Keys. Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe. We're giving out our giveaways to our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So, if you want to be part of the airdrop, you want to stay subscribed, guys, and eventually we should have something for everybody. So, guys, live here we have CoinMarketCap's latest diamond listing rewards. So with this now you can be able to claim this diamond. Diamond is worth about 3,000. This NFT is worth about 3,000 diamonds. So if you have, it's just for people that have up to 3,000 diamonds. So if your diamond is not up to 3,000, you want to look towards other reward sections, other rewards that are lesser. So the quantities, there are only 15 of these copies available, and it's going to be launching on the 22nd of November. So apparently these are an update, so you can set your alarm at 12 p.m. 12 UTC, 12 UTC. So that's the update, guys. That's the update. So it says Thanksgiving Feast by HexVanilla on NFTb, New Diamond listing. I'll be showing you guys there. I'll be taking you guys to the link so you can see the full updates on this particular NFC. The last one that was done was Lion Halloween NFT, as well as these a bunch of other ones too. I'll be showing you guys. So it says this one is created by one of NFTb's most exciting artists, X Vanilla. This limited and exclusive NFT was created for CoinMarketCap's Diamond Loyalty Program to celebrate Thanksgiving in 2021. So apparently, this is a Thanksgiving project. So I'll be showing you guys people's feedbacks and on this particular update. So we're going to be leaving some. This one says about scam, which eventually everybody has their own opinion. Okay, so we're going to be looking for the most relevant of them. So apparently this person is complaining for about the network error on the page. But the thing is that if you have a good network, I don't know if most people have 5G enabled, but if you have a good stable network and your internet is stable, you should be able to claim this NFT. So everyone, can someone please tell me what's happening? The second time this situation is pressed to buy an error. So I'm trying to load up this picture to see what this person is talking about, but it's not coming up. The other team members are involved. Okay, that's something else. It's pretty fun. Some people have their ad success with VPN, but I would save them for now. Nothing good to buy. Okay, guys. These are just some of the updates, speculations. So I've not really seen. It's good. You can get this NFT. I will buy when I have 5K. Okay. They're sold in the NFT market or specific market of the same game. OpenSea is an NFT market. I already have 5,000, but I can't decide what. Okay. So these are some feedbacks about people. So guys, I also recommend you want to join up on CoinMarketCap's announcement and Telegram group. When you join up, you get updates. You can also interact with other people too and understand how they are pushing through with projects like this. This person says you can invest $100 after 5 days, withdraw $110. I don't know what that person is saying, but I'll prefer you stay safe, guys, because not all that glitters is good. So guys, we're currently having some network issues. That's why we've not been able to load up the okay. We did monetary NFT. Okay, this is the monetary that they did some time back. So guys, I think this one is there too. As the previous one, the Halloween that was done. So guys, I'm going to try and play up this video if it's going to play out, so you can see the animation here. Meanwhile, we'll also be heading over to the reward section so you can have a full view about this NFT and some of the requirements. So, guys, first of all, one of the requirements is that okay. I think that's the music playing up. Guys, the one of the requirements is that some of these NFT rewards you basically don't need anything. You just need to be able to click on the redeem button as soon as possible, and you are good to go. That was how the monetary NFT worked. Why some you might need to submit your engine wallet or NFT wallet address to claim it, but whichever way you are always told on the NFT itself. So you'll be given the instruction there. If you still have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. So I'm going to cancel this. So guys, we just successfully logged in now because of the network. We're having lots of network issues. So this is what we mean by having up to 3,000 diamonds. So if you don't have up to that diamonds, you'd soon be able to show. You can see these are some of the NFTs that have been sold out. We have Money Tree, CoinMarketCap, we have lots of them, and we also have the Lucky Lion, CoinMarketCap Wizard NFT, which is currently ongoing. It's currently ongoing, guys. So if you have up to 5,000 diamonds, you can be able to claim these. It's currently ongoing. So maybe we'll still be dropping an update on that later on. And meanwhile, for today's once you get over it, just click on it and you should get the full information you want. So it says Thanksgiving NFT feast created by one of NFTb's most exciting artists, HexVanilla. So how to claim? Visit NFTb website. That's the first step. Connect your BSC wallet. That's the second step, and you're good to go. So guys, you just basically need to do these two steps, and that's it. So once you've connected your Binance matching wallet, you also want to just copy it and keep it by the side. So once this redeem button kicks off, you can click on redeem, submit your Binance matching wallet, and you're good to go. So preferably you can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So that's the ones that are usually recommended, or you can use whichever decentralized exchange, decentralized wallet you want to use. So guys, thanks for watching Dubai Keys. This will be made available on 22nd. So peace out, guys. Stay tuned. If you have any question, feel free to let us know in the comment section. You can also feel free to subscribe, guys, and see you in our next video.